Alright everybody, it's been a while since my last post. I'm sorry about that. But as we get a quick overview, you can see that a whole lot has changed since my last post. I'm going to go in a little bit more in detail, let you know what's going on with everything. And let's just go ahead and get started. As you can see, as we're on the back side of Uncle James' place, you can see the Elijah Cummings building that I had done earlier. Basically, it's a shipping depot. But as I still have a lot of work done, I still have a lot more to do. Need to add some detail to the streets, and as well as floors grain. I got a lot of scenery done down up in here, and it looks pretty decent. So as you come around, you can see the switcher, the back side. If you notice back here in this back corner, I've got two buildings I need to take and put together. It's basically going to be a continuation from this little village here in a little rural community, and it's going to go to the back. I already got the water tower set. And then as you come along, like I said, I was playing around with the train station. I decided to keep it and go ahead and do a double line for it. One will be used for passengers, the other is just for pretty much set out of cars or anything else that needs to be. And as we come around, I've actually took and finished the track laying for the oil refinery. And I got a few other things I call basically the brown house. Haven't exactly figured out what I'm going to do with that yet. And the farmhouse. And in the background, you can also see the oil refinery. Along that back wall, you see there's a little retaining wall that I'm testing out. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. And up along the back is the porta yard, much improved as we come along. You can see from last time, that's still nice and neat. Looks pretty. Haven't really done too much more to that. Just left it as is. But as we followed around, what looks like a double line is actually what I set out so that when I have trains and I need to do switching and everything, I can drop them off here and still switch stuff out. Up top, this is Staten's concrete. Basically what I've done, my wife had bought me this little convection conveyor belt, and I found this building right here online for the 3D printer. I basically bashed two kits together and came up with it. And on the back wall, that's nothing but different things that I printed on a 3D printer and glued them together on the back of a piece of concrete, back of a piece of wood. As you can tell, I've done some scenery and groundwork along Staten concrete. And then we come along, and what's happening here, this right here is basically a little set out yard for the stuff that needs to go up and get loaded, and once it's loaded, it gets dropped off. And one of the biggest things that I completed is the Tugman yard. And what you're going to notice with the Tugman yard, there's the east and west side, both having 4 tracks. You can hold more cars on the east side than you can the west. And as you come around on the service track, we have Wakanda Shipping. And right off of Wakanda Shipping, we got the turntable and maintenance facility. And on the back side of the Tugman yard, we have our cat yard, the R. Robertson cat yard. Like I said, we're right now on the back side of the Tugman yard, and right off of it is the R. Patterson cat yard and the Norfolk State Sand and Gravel. I have yet to complete the control panel for this, but it is in the works. And along the back, this is the maintenance facility and roundhouse. And this track is going to continue from here into this room. And then here is going to be Germantown, the military railhead, and the container facility. This here is the Harriet Tubman yard control panel. You can see there's a lot of switches on this. And I'm going to have fun doing a lot of wiring. I still have 3 more switch controls to put up here. But thanks to the coronavirus outbreak, I'm going to have plenty of time.